Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an ngajat video Mizo ke basam basa silong hagasi thoding kila rakhi ke Lehkmen Pynroi Chapchar kut daki jingshat ki
It's a
Pynroi
pleasure and an honor to be standing in front of you.
jong kasnong
And
hasu
today,
sathang auditorium
who have spared their time
yagini ke program
to
la
be here
belong
with
dek
us
Mizo ram ke
for
basa
us
silong
Mizos.
bataki kawi na ki
And
Lehkmen
today, as I
Kolshor
stand before
ka
you,
bakhau
Mizo
tam
Ram,
chuki
in
Mizo na ke
collaboration
jalani
with the Deputy Residence
Menteri Kesehatan
Commissioner,
Meghalaya
have in Shillong.
Marshal
And today, I would like to
Wailadmiki
welcome our
Shilla
chief
Upapek
guest,
Ikatnat Sport and Youth
Mr.
Affairs but
Wailadmiki.
Health
And
and Family
today, as
Welfare
I stand before
Ulawan
you,
Manongkum Ukongsan Chief Guest Katba Upu Lachan Hima Deputy Resident Commissioner Jangka Sorkar Mizoram Ulalongkum Usimbut Kongsan Guest of Honor Habakran haga jingyalang ushala ula ai jingiro ekajat benriu Mizo na marka jingla jungki ban Pynneh bat Pynroi yala ka jongka Kolshor ba ka jing itu jat benriu wat habaki shongki sa shabar jilla
We would like to extend
Ula ong ba da ka jing sarong ba ka jing sngoret ka baki Mizo ki Pyn ihalor ka Kolshor bar ka Ktien jongki ka long ka nuksa ka ba bhai iwe par ki jat benriu ha ka dei shathan lammi ni Umentri Rai Thuru Yakawi ka jing yakendu jong u ka podang samla haba u parlok Mizo jong u ulayeng scam ban ka shan ya u hakawi ka jing le ka sport ha ka ribaro we haba ulay yakendu ya ka jing le ben u shilla ula penpaw ka jing sngongu halor ka jing dei ka jing teli ka scam hapreng ki pat ba jong ka ni ka than Shushu ula banjur ya ka jing don kam ban Pynneh bad ya dai ki Ktien Pynroi ber ki Kolshor da ka baong ba ki jat bin riu kum de ban sule ran ban kran ya la ka jong ka Ktien ne ban rakhi ya la ka pateng Pynroi lai jing ya ro ru e ka benta ka ba ki briu na Mizoram ki no sinyang ha ki babun ki benta ha Meghalaya ba jing ya ram ha ka jing roi jong ka jilla ka Chapchar kut ka dei ka Lehkmen ka ba kongsan ba ka ba pau pha jong ka jat bin riu Mizo ka julong ha ka por kut urem phang nisdang ulber hadin bala dep ka kam bakhya ban pin khoj iki khlau na ka benta ka jum cultivation Haga baki nong rep ki shimpor ban shong that chua ban zrangi ka benta ka babut jong ka rep karyang karkum ka history ka ni ka Lehkmen glass dang ningkong haga snong saipui ka ba menta ka don hamyan mar haga baki Mizo ki baningkong kila pelong ka jing bam pat ba ka Lehkmen hadin baki la dep pun khoj ya ka khlau ha ki Lehkmen Pynroi jodon ka jing bam lang ki jing roi ba jing shat Pynroi kum ka chiro bamboo dance ka ba paunam ringkat berkiwi parki program Kolshor ki bapin I ka pateng ka beriu spa jong jat benriu Mizo ka jing ya rakhi ha shilong ka lapin I shai ya ka jing trailang ba jing de Kolshor ka ba scam ha pareng ki jat benriu ha ka than chatai lam mi baru I ka jing trei chitam jong ki Mizo ki basa shabar jala ban Pynneh bat Pynroi ki Kolshor bat pateng trai kat shabaki letsa
school days, I have actually a lot of Mizo's friend. During my school days in JNVs, where we used to go and participate in the sports in different part of Northeast, and after that in Nigrims, when I was pursuing the MBBS, I had many Mizo friends. So it is very kind of a happy moment for me. And just to share with you that in one occasion where we participated in the national, where all these 7 states together we represent the northeastern region at the national level in the basketball, there were one person from North India who misbehaved with me. And as you know, by the look at my physique, so you do understand that I could not do anything. So I just stand there. But one of my Mizo friend, I still remember his name was Rocky, and he came and slapped that person for me. So at that moment, really, I was really thankful that I was expecting my friends from Meghalaya will come and stood for me, but my friend from Mizoram came for that. So I'm very thankful to him, but later on, as you know, that I couldn't keep on contact since we were just school children at that time, then I couldn't be in contact. So I know I couldn't thank him, but I will thank him through you all today. And I really like the way Mizo people are. Just to sum that up, that they are the people who don't care and speak in their own language, even though a sport and health minister from Meghalaya is sitting here today. So that are Mizo people. And I really like that. And you should be proud of yourself. Because I've been saying all this in Meghalaya from time to time. Because there are instances where the whole room is filled with our local people. Just to please one person in the room, then we tend to speak in other language. How we will promote our culture, our language, if we're going to do that? So I'm really impressed by you all. And as we all know, that all of us, and especially Meghalaya and Mizoram, have a very close connection, whether in terms of culture and other aspects. And for all of you who are here today, I could see especially many of you who are sitting in the front, who are working here in different fields. You have been contributing a lot to the development of Meghalaya. So for that, I'm really thankful to you. The state of Meghalaya is very thankful to you all. And it is always our endeavor from the government that to help and support the people living here in our state. And I'm very also at the same time, I would like to thank the government of Mizoram to continue their support, not only in their state, but to the people who are living in other states also, to organize this festival. Because it is very important that we will keep in touch with our roots. If we go out, we should never forget from where we come from. Because it's so sad to see some